Alright, good first attempt. Or well, nth attempt.
That didn't count. That didn't count. That didn't count. This is the real attempt. Lock in. This is the real last attempt. That one was bullshit mechanics. Bullshit mechanics. We got this.
Alright. You saw how fast we cleared the first phase.
Yep.
Alright,
yeah.
seconds.
Edge, I better not see you near that fire puddle with that.
It won't happen again. It will not happen again.
Frozen weapon coming out.
Alright, fire puddles are near the boss.
Oh, that's a rough spot. Oh god, that's a rough spot for them. Frozen weapon out.
Did you almost run to the... I'm just gonna get...
Oh, it's not even worth going there. It's not even worth. Just make sure you're... Once we're untethered, just run towards the frozen... the fire to destall. If any of y'all like me, we're above half.
I just read chat again. Yeah, it was the big circle attack, I think, that killed you.
Thanks, Frozen.
Avalanche.
I'm too dead.
Tanks are frozen.
Alright, more puddles.
More puddles. I'm gonna just throw out Irona so that
Yep.
since we have two, I'm gonna just throw the Irona out.
Alright, I think it's snowing now. Avalanche.
It is snowing. Found a partner.
Our avalanche is out. Just do not
Oh god.
fire puddles.
That fire puddle's gone.
It survived!
Did it? It did.
Thanks,
Oh
Frozen.
god, I'm taking so much damage from it because I thought it. Oh, frozen weapon coming out. Tank Buster coming out. The root's coming out.
Alright, this is the root. Oh, yeah, of course it
Oh.
disappeared the second.
Of course. Rigged. Second Irona, can we have that Irona come out?
Done.
Thank you. Gotta love that lag HP to 0.
Wait,
Oh, did you just go immediately down again?
Thanks, Frozen.
stay frozen.
We have no luck with fire puddles.
No, these fire puddles are way too close.
Revive didn't hit you, that's weird.
It's because you had mine. You were on my cooldown. It's every 60 seconds.
Oh, right, it's like... Yeah,
You're on my cooldown.
Yeah. It's like individual... Like, once you're affected by Arona, you can't be affected by it again for a cooldown.
Yeah, for 60 seconds. So you're on my
Use a
cooldown.
KP.
It's
Actually,
bigger
maybe
for...
Wait, don't use a... Or,
Oh, no,
okay,
it's fine, it's
no,
fine, it's
you're
fine.
Yeah.
I'll stay with
Use
her
the
so that
KP.
she doesn't.
Yeah, you
freeze.
need 2 people. You got 2 people.
Yep. I stayed back. Oh, never mind.
We are sorry.
It's fine. I'm just the healer.
We salute your sacrifice.
I got everybody else there. Woo! Hey. Yeah. Hey, tornadoes. Y'all suck.
Freaking tornadoes.
God.
Oh, this one is like literally going. Okay, it's going away. We might have gotten the actual tornado RNG that we want.
Oh, I think tornadoes hurt us. 3 tornadoes literally converged on me where I froze.
Alright. For the barrel!
Go, go, go. DPS check.
Let's do damage!
Once this bridge disappears, then I can res.
So far only one dead.
It's okay, it's okay. As long as you pass the DPS check, that's all we need. Once the bridge disappears.
Oh, we're going good.
Alright,
3 minutes.
Unfreeze everyone you can.
Oh, hey, look, I'm here! Wow, I magically made it. Oh, somebody fell off. Oh, hey, look, Koopa back!
Alright. Avalanche is coming in 8 seconds. We need to unlock the barrels.
Verona went overhead because small. Uh-huh.
Alright, Avalanche should be out. Unlock any barrels. Alright, we got the left barrel.
It's another person.
Do we have any?
Shadows, your arrow out?
Yeah.
Use it.
Pop it. Pop this one.
And then we're
I'll
gonna
use
pop
one.
this barrel. Everyone get to the barrel, everyone get to the barrel, back left, back left.
Ooh, ooh, ah!
Unlock the other barrel. Alright, we're going clockwise,
Yep.
Don't stand in front of
Weather
the
switching.
tank.
Weather switching to snow.
Don't stand
Go.
in the bus. Get near the barrel, get near the barrel. If you're range, get near the barrel. Barrel pop, someone pops it, get on the barrel.
Yeah, go behind the dragon. Go behind the dragon. Range DPS.
Yep. We need to bring
And
the
just
dragon
pump.
somewhat close to the last barrel. Alright, watch out for the tethers, bring them away from the boss. Oh no.
Oh no, that's not good.
Alright, can we
Alright.
reposition the boss? Maybe towards
If we can.
over here.
Oh god. Oh god.
Alright, Avalanche is going out. I'm in like a little island where like there's no frost stuff happening. Me and Zeus.
Yeah, the boss just doesn't come to me. It's just standing there.
Oh
The
god.
aggro
Wow.
shadow, now it's on service.
And my ass is frozen.
Okay, we popped the last barrel. So we need to just kill the boss now.
Focus on DPSing out the boss.
Yeah. All in DPS.
All in DPS, even the
Go
Earth North.
DPS. Believe me,
Oracle
just go
DPS.
DPS.
Just go DPS, don't worry about healing.
Alright, we got this, guys, we got this.
How many people are dead?
There's 2 frozen, 2 dead.
2 dead. Alright, let me
Alright,
pop the
let's-
arrow now to get 2 up.
Alright, here come the tethers, just bring them away from the boss. Yep, perfect. Okay, almost perfect, but pretty good. I'll honestly take it. Thank you.
DPS, DPS, go, 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 go!
Go,
Go, go, go, go, go!
damage. Avalanche coming, just be careful.
Even healers, even healers.
Alright, if you have avalanche,
Every little count.
get away from the main.
Every little counts, lock in. We got this. Every little counts.
Guys, we got
Let's
this.
go! Let's go!
Yeah!
Congratulations.
Great job.
Told you, it was that test run. I told you. The first one didn't count. This one-
Haha!
Yeah. Good job, good job, good job.
Thank you, everyone. And thank you especially Shadow for the callouts. That was great. And the Arona.
Yep. Thank you
Yeah,
for
sure.
the secondary Irona.
First try. I don't know who said that. I just saw the bullet text. That was funny.
First try, yeah. Yeah. No. He got that right. First try.
This week.